Hello everyone and welcome to Midpoint Security Video Tutorials. In this tutorial I will show how to connect Mercury devices to CredoID software. I will use AP1501 controller as an example. For Mercury devices to be able to connect with CredoID, additional software has to be installed, called Bonjour. The installation files can be found in the video's description below. Let us begin. Before connecting Mercury device to CredoID software, network and user settings have to be configured. It is done through the graphical user interface of Mercury device. If this is the first time accessing Mercury's graphical user interface, a switch has to be turned on the Mercury device itself. Turn on the first switch on Mercury device. This will allow it to connect with the default logins. Now to access graphical user interface, open up a web browser and enter the device's IP address. If the device hasn't been configured before, connect with the default IP address. If connecting to the device for the first time, in the username field enter admin and in the password field, password. When you reach the device's graphical user interface, you will be greeted with a message that a user account have to be created for the device. To do so, go to User tab and click New User. I will create a simple user. After that is done, network settings have to be configured. To do so, go to Network tab and configure the network settings for the device. After the settings have been configured, go to Apply Settings tab and press Apply Settings Reboot. If you have any switches that are turned on the Mercury device, turn them off. You can either way do it now or after rebooting the device. Now the device is ready to be connected to CredoID software. Launch CredoID and log in. By default, I'm going to use the administrator login, which is username admin and password admin. To add a Mercury device to CredoID, either click on Search for New Devices button and CredoID will search for any device that can connect with the software, or add it manually by clicking on Create a New Item. I will be using the search function. The device has been found and is added to the device list. In the top right corner, there's the communications panel, which shows how many devices are online, retrying to connect or send data, out of sync, or offline, until it has been fully configured. When connecting any device to CredoID software, synchronization between the device and the software is needed. Before synchronizing the device with the software, settings have to be checked for the Mercury device in the Details panel, as not all the settings are automatically filled. As we can see, some fields are not filled in. Fill in the device's network settings and users' logins that were created in the Mercury device. After all settings have been filled in, press OK or Save button. After that is done, a full upload is required. Either click Upload All Data Controller button over here, or go to Communications panel, click Out of Sync, select the device, click Details, and then Upload All Data to Controller. In the Communications panel, we can see that the device goes online and the progress bar below indicates a data transfer between the device and the CredoID. After the full upload is done, the device should go offline for a short period of time, as the full upload reboots the device. After a short while, the device should show up online. And that is how to connect a Mercury device with CredoID software. For more information on Mercury devices and CredoID, please read the video's description below. If you had any questions, please contact us at support@midpointsecurity.com. Thank you for watching and have a pleasant day.